Are you craving crispy chicken wings without all the oil? Let me show you how to cook the crispiest, juiciest chicken wings right in your air fryer. Now we'll mix all of our dry ingredients. We'll start with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of sea salt from the sea, and we'll mix them all together. Voila! We'll set this aside and we're going to work on our chicken wings. We just want to pat them dry. Now we'll place our chicken wings in a 1 gallon bag, like so. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We'll add our spices and mix well. All right, make sure they're all well coated. We've preheated our air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to place our chicken in the basket. We're going to cook it for a total of 14 minutes. We'll flip the chicken after 10 minutes. Flip our chicken, yes. Oh my goodness, they're looking good. We're going to flip them over. It's been 10 minutes. Remember to subscribe. I appreciate it. Pop these back in. We'll let them cook another 4 minutes. I think these are about ready to check. Wow, these are looking good. Let's check our internal temperature. Let me try this guy. The temperature is well over 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll go ahead and pull these out of here. That's what we're looking at. Look at that chicken. Wow, looking good. Yes, I replated them so they look real pretty. Somebody's watching me. Hey, Annie girl. It's so juicy and crunchy on the outside. You're gonna love it. Be sure and subscribe and watch this next video.